Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caribbean Darling, period. Baby, I'm back better than ever, and that's on period. You in my business, don't do that. Don't do that. Mind your business. Don't watch her. She's very beautiful, as you can see. Mind your business, though. Anywho, so today, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I'm very nervous about this, because what if I lose some hair? You know what I'm saying? What my hair fall off? What am I going to do? So let me tell y'all the story about how this went along. So guys, I wanted to dye my hair for a very long time. I wanted a new look. I wanted something very different. You know what I'm saying? So I kept asking my mom, like, Mommy, can I dye my hair? I asked her this like 5 times, and she never answered me, bro. Like, she never gave me no answer until this very first day. I asked again. She said, come on, do what you want. So I'm like, you said do what I want. So let me go dye my hair then. So yeah, let me stop talking too much. As you can see, yeah. Let me stop talking too much. Let's get right into this video. Period. Yes. So as you can see, I sectioned my hair off into 4, and I made it easier for myself. I'm very scared. I got 3 boxes. I don't know if this is enough, but I hope it is. I got 3 boxes. I have Creme of Nature, and the color is in 10.0 Honey Blonde. And I have another one. This one is in light golden blonde. What am I saying? Yeah, this one is in light golden blonde. And this number is 9.23. And I don't know if I'm gonna mix this. I don't know. If it's not enough, I guess I'm gonna mix it. I don't know. And this one comes in, oops. It comes with, oh my God, stop falling. Instructions. Inside the instructions has gloves. It's taped up, but yeah. It comes with an argan oil treatment, the intensive conditioning treatment, the cream gel hair color, the developer, the developer, and the high lift booster. Can y'all see? No? Okay, yeah. This one is very different because it's missing one thing. So it comes with the instructions, all that, and it does not come with the high lift booster. So I actually thought they took it out or I lost the pack, but I looked inside this one and it was the same thing. And I read what this box contains at the bottom here. So yeah, honey, let's get into the tea, baby. You know what I'm saying? So the first, ooh, girl, listen, you just wanna embarrass me today. Don't do that. So today, this is not a, what this is called, what's this called? It's a brush, but it's the name for the brush. It's called a, I forgot, but this is not the thing. This is the $1.99 one because they didn't have the, you know what I'm saying? Yes, what I'm saying. I don't have to explain myself to y'all, but y'all understand what I am saying. Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna start off with the back, detangling the back, then I'm gonna go to the front. Then I'm gonna start off with the back again for dyeing the back so the front, my edges and my hairline doesn't get lighter. And yeah, I'm scared. I hope, oh my God, I hope I got hair by the time this video is done. So yeah, let's detangle. Alright, y'all, it's hot. I'm sweating. I had the AC running and I'm still sweating and I'm hot. Yes, ma'am. So I'm done detangling my hair and I put it back in whatever state it was in. Yes. And we got the directions here. Honestly, I feel like I watched too many videos to read these directions. But we still gonna read it in case they changed up. Oh, these the gloves. These the lunch lady gloves, yes. But yeah, I feel like I watched many videos to read the instructions, but it's still good to read the instructions. Alright, I'm kind of a little slow to follow directions, but we will try. 1, preparation. A, coloring hair for the first time. Recoloring. Oh, yes, we gotta go to A. So, oh, okay. So, assembling products. We put this inside of the developer. Inside of this. Doing full head applications. We are not doing ends. We want to be a whole honey blonde girl. I'm tired of black hair, so we're gonna change it up. Yes, ma'am. So for full head application, it says apply color mixture immediately after mixing. Part hair into 4 sections. I did that for ease of application. Apply color mixture to dry hair starting from the front. No, honey, we're gonna start from the back. You know what they said, start from the front, so we're gonna start from the back. I mean the front. Yeah. Oh, okay, I understand. What you mean by a 1/2 inch partings? Okay, so we supposed to, when we put that in, we supposed to mix immediately. Then we put it in, we supposed to apply, massage, not really massage, but work it in until it starts foaming, you know what I'm saying? But so if color mixture gets on skin, rinse with cold water. If going lighter, apply color mixture starting a 1/2 inch away from scalp. See, I don't know how y'all expect me to not get this on my scalp if I'm doing my whole head. So Creme of Nature, y'all need to be a little futuristic. Oh! Okay, y'all. So I was trying to use up the whole bottle because apparently I guess I only need one bottle to do this. And the smell of this is mad strong. And I'm dying under this mask because this mask cannot protect me from the smell. And yeah, so I did that. I did what I had to do. And now I'm gonna put a shower cap on my head. And they said to leave it for 30 minutes. And I think it got in my eye. Because my eye's burning. I'm gonna go wash it out. But it looks, this is getting light to me. And I'm hot. And I'm sweating because of this mask. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I wash my eye. Because it's peaceful in my eye. And I'm gonna put the shower cap on. And hope for the best. Hello? You could time 30 minutes for me, please? I got shrinkage, y'all. So when I wash this out, I'm gonna see how much shedding I have. And I'm gonna compare it to regular shedding and the shedding to see if it's worse. I'm excited. I'm excited. But it might look light by the time 30 minutes is up. And I know when you wash it out, it usually looks different. So when you have the dye, the developer, the whatever in your hair. So I'm gonna see how it looks by the time 30 minutes is up. And I'm really excited. Oh, I just put a hole in my thing. Yes, honey. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let it bake. I'm gonna let it simmer. Not too much though. I'm excited. So I'm gonna catch you guys when the 30 minutes is up and let y'all know how it goes. Turn the AC on because that was just whew. So to me, I looked in the mirror, honey. I was looking like to me, but on camera it's looking dark. I was seeing a difference. Alright, y'all, it's now 6:08, 30 minutes have passed, and this is what it's looking like. This is not really the color that I'm looking for. So I think I want to go lighter. This is not really the color I'm looking for. I'm gonna wait another 30 more minutes and see if I'm liking it. If it's not going any lighter, then I'm gonna just add more developer and see where it goes from there on. It's getting light though. The only thing is, I feel like the back is, I don't know. The back is taking its time because I did the front first. I should have did the back first so I could see. The back could have been light and I could see what's going on with the front. You know what I'm saying? Because, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna wait another 30 more minutes or maybe 15 more minutes and see what happens. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so literally it's been like an hour and change, and I realized that it's not gonna get any darker. Okay, y'all, so I waited an hour. Don't mind the background, my sister's playing Fortnite and my cousin is watching Black Lightning, so please, I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, I added some more. I have, what's it called? I forgot. That thing. But yeah.
Yo, what's so funny?
Y'all is loud. Yeah, I waited another hour. And I can still see in the mirror that down here is darker than out here, but it's whatever. I'm not waiting no more. I'm gonna go wash it out and see what happens. Maybe, no, you know what I'm gonna do? I think this is gonna even it out. So I might use this, I guess. I don't know. To tone it. So yeah, I'll be back. So I washed my hair. I used the oh snap, I forgot it in the bathroom. But yeah, I used the purple toner thingy. This is what it's looking like right now. And it's still wet, so I don't think you can see some parts are still dark, but it's whatever. Um, I usually, oh yes. So this is how much shedding I got. Usually compared to what I usually get, I'm happy with that. And usually after I dry my hair, I blow dry it. But I feel like now that it's colored, I have to limit the heat. So I guess I'm gonna have to air dry this. Keep it in the braids and air dry it. So I'm gonna apply the thing that they gave me, the treatment oil thing. My God, all that. Jesus Christ. All right, yeah. On top of that, I'm gonna use some black castor oil on my. Okay, y'all. I look so childish. I look like the picture up there when I was younger. So I'm about to put some castor oil on my edges, you know what I'm saying? On my hairline or whatnot. Yeah, I think this has to be the most natural YouTube have ever seen me, you know, well, yeah, we so natural, whatever. But yeah, let me tell you guys the tea. So when I was washing my hair, it felt good. Like my hair, it felt so good. And let's talk about the shedding, baby. Like I have never had less of a shedding since today. Like I understand braids, having braids wise, but girl, let me tell y'all, I did not have that much shedding at all. At all. So yeah, this is how I'm going to have my hair. I guess I'm gonna have to find a new hair routine for colored hair, whatnot, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys like my YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at my social media. And yeah, period. And I'm out. Outro, where you at? Come on now.